high cable curl workout. This variation of the upper curl cable has a lifter that folds the strands, while the shoulders are bent and the palms facing upwards, inserted. The cables will be set just above the shoulder level while performing this task on the active trainer or cable tower. Wrapping up from a high, extended arm is thought by many to direct the short biceps head, which creates the desired biceps peak. Benefits of high cable curl: ability to focus and train both arms at the same time. The use of straps over the dumbbell allows for a twisted arm approach, which creates new stress on the biceps, which poses a challenge to their contraction. How to make a top cable: set the cable pulley to shoulder height and attach the D handles to each cable pulley. Hold the bar with a tight grip, palm up. Keep tension in the biceps all the way to the top of the movement, then slowly lower the load back to the starting position. The key to this exercise is to maintain your shoulder position throughout the range of motion, not allowing your elbows to be immersed, making it easy. Keeping tension in the upper back will help keep the shoulders stable and the arm area unchanged, increasing tension in the biceps. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.